subscribe.
Alright, subbies and future subbies. I am here at the Grand Exchange finally, and I have my 5,000 steel bars. So I bought the material for 1,825,000 GP, and I am going to throw the steel bars into the GE. Well, first I'll buy one, get the max price, then throw them in, and we'll see what I got. Alright, future and current subby dubs. The steel bars have sold off, and I sold them for 574 GP a piece, which is about 30 GP above what the standard was. So I got a grand total of 2.87 mil. So I made probably about a mil off that. So that's not too bad. I probably was at the blast furnace for maybe an hour, a little bit more than an hour. I'd say like maybe an hour and a half-ish. Yeah, a mil in an hour and a half, that's pretty freaking good if you ask me. So there it is, 5,000 steel bars in an hour and a half, 1 mil profit. Alrighty guys, I will catch you on the flip side, and can't wait to see you in the next video. See ya!